Got another big one here.
Look at that big old sucker.
Hi guys, this is day 2. Yesterday we were at Saginaw Bay. We only caught 2 walleye, 2 perch. So we had a good report that Lake St. Clair was catching some perch. So we drove here last night. We have 4 nice perch right here. We got an underwater camera down here. There hasn't been many fish, but the ones that come through seem to bite. So hopefully some more big perch come in and we can get them all back on video. Got another big one here.
Look at that big old sucker. That one come on a little teardrop with a minnow. I think we're gonna get into them here, guys. We've only been here for a few minutes. We've got 4 keepers already, so stay tuned. We're gonna get some big ones. That's a good one. Oh, he's wrapped up in the transducer.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Hey, yeah, another one.
There we go. Got another nice one here. It has been dead for probably about 2 hours. So then I put this camera down. I saw a couple keepers, and then we just caught that one. So maybe they're gonna come in here. Oh, oh, oh! I just caught one on this jigging pole now. Nice one there. There's a couple more down there.
You still down there?
Let's see in just a second. As soon as I called that.
Hello. Yeah.
Is that dial locked in still?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Little guy, I think.
Little guy?
Yeah. There's some more down there though. Little perch there. I'm marking some more though. A decent one. Still there?
No.
All over me. All over me. Come on. He's gonna hit it. It's a good mark. Still see one?
No.
Come on. All over.
Don't want it? Okay guys, we just moved a little bit. And my dad just caught a good one, and a couple bobber went down. We're marking a couple fish on their ship. Oh dang!
Engulfed it. All the way down inside of him. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him out alive. Totally engulfed it. We're gonna have to keep this little guy. Can't get him out. That's a bad thing about using these treble hooks. They swallow it. All down inside of him. A little one, but well, we'll throw him back. We'll see if he lives. He might live. Yep, he swam away.
Hi guys, it wasn't the greatest today, but we caught a couple fish. It's better than doing nothing. We talked to a couple guys up in Saginaw Bay. They weren't doing anything, so we're glad we went here. We got a couple decent ones. We had we put the underwater camera down there. We saw a couple walleyes, but they didn't want to bite. So here's our perch here. Here's that one. So
Oh yeah.
they're all good perch. So stay tuned for next weekend, and we'll be back out here.